Okay, we have a Makino horizontal machining center, model MC86, serial number 74082, new in 1995. It's a 24.8 by 24.8 pallet. There's a 2-pallet system. It has a 4,000 RPM spindle, 360 degree index on the pallet, Fanuc 16M control with a Pro 3 Makino. We're going to run it for you. 40 ATC, by the way, as well. Cooling through. And we're starting with the pallet change. Okay, so you come up here, you can see a faux tool change because we don't have it completely set up to do it. Jogging the Y down. Okay.
That's 2,000 RPM in the high range.
Okay. So again, you've heard the low range, which obviously is not perfect, and now in the high range, it's very clear that the gear is good. So that's, you saw the high range, you saw the low range, you saw an index, you saw a pallet change, you saw the axes move. Eric is going to also show you the that's your tool changer. Again, to the left here is your chip conveyor and your your through the spindle cooling system. He's running the tool carousel. In the back, you'll see the
oil coolers.
Oil coolers, correct. Oh, right. Your AC servos as well, the air dryer. And then we can just show inside the electrical cabinet. Huh? Thank you for watching the video.